Think about the last time you spent $20 without even thinking. Maybe it was on a latte, a quick lunch, or that random thing you saw on Amazon. It felt insignificant at the moment, right? But what if I told you that the same $20, just once a week, could turn into a portfolio worth over $500,000 and generate over $6,000 in passive monthly income? Sounds impossible? Well, by the end of this video, you'll see exactly how it works, step by step. We'll break it down into 3 key parts: how dividends work and why they're so powerful, how to select the right dividend-paying stocks to maximize returns, how to turn just $20 per week into a massive income-generating portfolio. Stick around to the end because I'll show you the exact portfolio that can make this a reality. Let's dive in. Dividends are simply a portion of a company's profits that are paid out to shareholders, typically every quarter. Think of it as a company's way of saying, "Thanks for investing in us. Here's a cut of our profits." For example, if a company declares a $1 dividend per share and you own 100 shares, you'll receive $100 in cash, just for holding on to those stocks. The best part? You don't need to sell a single share to make money. This is the beauty of passive income. There are 2 main strategies when receiving dividends. Taking cash payouts. You collect the dividends and spend or reinvest them elsewhere. Using DRIP, dividend reinvestment plan. Your dividends automatically buy more shares, leading to compounding growth over time. Let's look at a real example with $1,000 invested in a stock with a 5% dividend yield. Without DRIP, you'll earn $50 per year in dividends, but your portfolio stays the same unless you add more money. With DRIP, that $50 is reinvested to buy more shares, increasing future dividends. Over time, your portfolio grows exponentially due to compounding. Even small investments snowball into massive wealth over decades. Not all dividend stocks are created equal. Here's what to look for. Dividend yield, a percentage showing how much of a company's stock price is paid out as dividends. Dividend growth rate, the speed at which a company raises its dividend payouts over time. Company stability, businesses that perform well in all market conditions, like utilities, healthcare, and consumer goods. Diversification, investing in multiple sectors to reduce risk. Based on these criteria, here are 5 top dividend stocks to build a powerful passive income portfolio.
Number 1. CubeSmart, Cube, a self-storage real estate investment trust, REIT, with a 4.89% yield and 14.06% dividend growth rate. Number 2. Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, SCHD, a diversified ETF investing in high-quality dividend stocks with a 3.53% yield and 11.04% growth rate. Number 3. Kroger, KR, a stable grocery retailer with a 2% yield and a 13.58% growth rate. Number 4. Lowe's, Low, a home improvement giant with a 1.87% yield and an exceptional 17.99% dividend growth rate. Number 5. NetEase, NTES, a leading tech company in China with a 2.57% yield and a 17.29% growth rate. By combining these stocks, you create a diversified, high-growth, income-generating portfolio. Now let's put everything together. Suppose you invest just $20 per week into this portfolio. After 1 year, you've saved $1,040, setting the foundation. After 5 years, your portfolio grows to $6,732 with reinvested dividends. After 10 years, it jumps to $19,697. After 20 years, your portfolio is worth $187,242. After 30 years, the magic of compounding takes over and your portfolio reaches $675,642. And here's the game changer. At this point, your portfolio pays out over $6,385 per month in dividends without selling a single share. That's full financial freedom from just $20 a week. Now, imagine what happens if you increase your weekly investment or start earlier. The numbers get even crazier. So what do you think? Would you rather spend $20 on coffee and snacks or use it to build a massive stream of passive income? If you want to learn more strategies like this, click the video on the screen to see how you can earn over $20,000 per month in dividends with a similar investment strategy. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more powerful wealth-building videos. Let's build your financial freedom, one dividend at a time.